system. The following message is transmitted from National Defence of Australia, has issued a civil warning to all citizens of Australia. This is not a drill, and this is not a test. The nine-tailed ancient demon called Gyopi originated from Indonesia, has approached our country to destroying all major cities of Australia. The Prime Minister has been evacuated Australia. States including Northern Territory, Western Australia, South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales and Queensland. It has tentacles on its tail to turn people into zombie. Gyopi's tentacles has symptoms such as muscle fatigue, illness, strange language, brain hijacked, blood vomiting, thirsty, red eyes and homicidal. To minimize the infection of people, follow the instructions. The instructions will protect you and your family. 1. Collect your relatives soon as possible. 2. Procure supplies necessary to collect such as food, water, medicine, clothes, battery-powered radio, cutlery and utensils for 14 days fallout sheltering period. 3. All citizens around the country are advised to seek fallout shelter immediately. You should use water 5 pints per person. Fresh food is provided. For cooking in 14 days fallout sheltering period, you should turn off your gas system now. It will cause fire to the fallout shelter. Once the fire force you to leave your home, you'll be one of the Gyopi's zombie. Major roads and transportation network will be closed for military use. Phone network will disconnected without reason. Emergency information will provide via radio, television and your mobile device. Battery-powered radio is audible for receiving information. Tuned into 85.0 MHz, 79.2 MHz, 82, 2 MHz, 105.5 MHz, 90.0 MHz, and 91.9 MHz to check news and information from Australia Broadcasting Corporation. Australia Broadcasting Corporation's television network will be closed until further notice due to the invasion. The National Defence of Australia will be worked with other countries to defeat Gyopi in simple way. Stay tuned for further information. Goodbye from the ABC.